Okay, for everybody, again, following along with original art on paper, I would never do this to an original. So we kind of took some water and put it on a paper just so you could get an idea of, again, how those droplets affect paper. So one of the questions we've had is, can't you stick it? Can't you dry mount it? Can't you put it on something? And the answer is no. And I try and very kindly say, not really. But here's an example of, I'm gonna use an iron that we let get hot. And this kind of sort of will replicate a dry mount that, again, never, ever, ever do to an original. So when we're gonna go to press it, look at what happens. It made more ripples, and now there's a crease. That crease was not there before. There's actually 2 creases when we started. And that's because the paper has absorbed the water, it's changed the dynamic of it, and it will not go back the way it originally was. So this is the reason, this is the example of what not to do with art on paper once it's been painted, because it's just going to completely ruin it. So again, thanks for following along. We really appreciate you letting us take these educational parts to it, so you know what's inside of that frame and you want to know the reason behind why we do what we do. So shop us online at barnells.com, follow us on social media, and by all means, come by the store and visit. If you have questions, we're happy to answer.